Tiana. Tiana. Look. It's happening while we're boarding our flight to America. Look at this. Come on. Tiana. Guys, come on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
One more. One more. Oh, one's gone down. One's gone down.
Go over there because it's more light. Are we upstairs?
Yeah.
Let's go, Tiana.
4 million.
Ah! Whoa! Tiana! Come here, baby. Big love, big love.
Have you won?
Yay!
You won something?
Oh, yes. It's gone back.
Amazing.
Wow! Cannot believe it, guys. Tiana, TT. 4 million subscribers on the flight to America. How about that? Just look at this space we've got here, guys. Thanks so much, character.
Yeah, thank you.
Show your t-shirt too.
So where are we going, Tiana?
We're going to New York to the toy fair.
That's right. Tiana has been invited by character to go to the toy fair in New York. Thanks so much. We're inviting Tiana and the whole family.
Thank you.
Awesome. So, Mummy's got her space here. Daddy's got her space there. Jordan's on the end.
Daddy's got her space.
Did I say Daddy's got her? Did you hear that?
What's this?
This is Tiana. Ooh.
And then you press that button for this.
So, what do you think to your space, guys?
Great.
What do you think to 4 million subscribers? I've not heard you guys say a thing about it. You know, come on, 4 million, 4 million.
Amazing.
You know.
Well done.
I've got headphones on. Cool, I can't believe it. It's awesome. And you said that I have 1 million by Christmas, and it's just after Christmas, and I've got 4 million.
I know.
Tiana, but 4 million subscribers as we board in our flight to
I
America.
know, that's just so crazy.
Is that amazing?
You deserve it, Tiana, after all the hard work you do.
So what you got to say to your fans?
Thank you, I love you all. Thank you so much for 4 million subscribers. Even if you haven't subscribed, thank you.
Stay fantastic.
Yeah.
Tiana likes the pizzas. Look at this lady, look. Asking us what we want for our meal and she's hiding behind the menu. So Tiana, what do you want for your lunch? Why do you ask if she's got any pizzas? No pizza.
Can you actually hear me there?
Yeah.
Do you have any pizza?
I wish I would have eaten it already.
Margarita pizza, bon appetit.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
I have beef.
It's very good and tender.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, lovely.
Is there any steak on there? Look at Jordan's over there, look guys. Just looking through the menu for his lunch, chilling.
What's that would you like to eat?
Me, so I'll have some steak.
Sure, and starter?
Oh, I was only joking. So you really got steak?
Well, beef.
Beef, yes, that sounds fantastic.
Okay, you're gonna make me lunch now. Oh, would you?
What's Tiana watching?
With
Chicken like a pet.
the prawns or the
And the
mozzarella?
big dog just sat on the little dog. Guys, today's such a happy day. I've got 4 million subscribers today. And we're on the airplane. And look at the sun, it's so bright.
What a fantastic view from the aeroplane, guys.
Yes. Oh,
So bright.
yeah. Cool.
The spare seats, Tiana, behind you here.
What?
Spare beds.
Oh, look at the beds. Got the headphones, TV. But this you put it down and then you put your feet on the bed. And I am watching Secret Life of Pets. It's really good, Secret Life of Pets.
You paused it. Come round. Jordan's snoring. What a way, guys, to get 4 million subscribers on Toys and Me YouTube channel. boarding the flight to America, to the Toy Fair, hit 4 million subscribers. Perfect. You guys are awesome. So thank you so much for supporting Tiana's channel. It's so amazing. 4 million subscribers. I just cannot believe 2 years. And here we are with 4 million subscribers. You're the best.
2 years, yeah?
No, it's not just 2 years. It's just under 2 years, isn't it?
2 years in April.
2 years in April. That's right, Mum. So Tiana has been, well, very quiet during this flight. Hello? Sorry to disturb you while you're watching your film. I'm just thanking your fans for the subscribers that they've been giving you over the nearly 2-year period. I'm just in total shock. But timing amazing on this flight to America. Perfect. What are you eating there? So Tiana's just relaxing. So let's see your bed. Lying down then, Tiana, so they can see you relaxing, watching your TV. So Tiana's been in this position for a long time. And she's watching. Is that your second film?
First.
Still on the first film. There's all the goodies. Yeah? Woo!
Hey,
Jordan's actually sleeping. Just sees Afro just peeping at the top there, guys. Bye bye. I thought you disappeared. So I'm watching Jason Bourne. That's worked you up from your film, hasn't it, Tiana?
Yummy tea.
It's looking yummy. Mummy's up next.
Hungry.
Nice and relaxed. Oh, Jordan's woken up. Oh yeah. Oh, save the best till last, eh? Is that what they say?
Yeah, we are there.
Miss Lam. Tiana? Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Oh, that looks good. Wow. So what do you think then, Mum?
Very nice.
Steak nice? Oh yeah. Woo.
What now?
Surprise chick delivery coming up.
Huh?
Surprise chick.
Ooh.
Yes,
This is my pet.
that's right. And number 3.
Thank you. Goodbye.
I'm coming round to open them.
Yeah. I had to pop the real chip. You can find a golden limited edition chick. I really want to find that one.
Tiana, that would be awesome if you find the golden one.
Yeah.
Really
and
cool.
And there's 4 but also 5 to collect. It's like the golden one has 6 number 5, but that's rare at the same time.
Let's open them.
Yeah! So here are the 3 chicks, but they're also the eggs because like the chicks are inside. And the first step, you just pull the tag and then it should start to hatch. But I think you twist it as well. Twist, twist, twist. Oh, you pull it out.
Don't the tap on the actual shells. Don't the tap. Oh.
Huh? I heard some whistling. They're tweeting. Look. Ah. Guys, this just... Ah!
Oh.
That's scary.
What more to go, Tiana?
It's gonna hatch any time now. And actually, look, oh, look at these ones. They're walking. Look
What
at
about this one?
The cool thing is you can actually put the shells back together and put the chicks in, and then you can do it how many times you like. So that's really cool. Come on. I've not heard any tweeting from this one.
Tiana!
Ah!
Look at an escaping chick.
Oh, look at their little beaks. It's so cute. Oh, you could do something cool with these. You could say to somebody which one has the chick in it. Look, because you can't tell which one's got the chick.
Bring this one back.
Look!
Ooh.
Look, I just put the 2 chicks back into the eggshells to make them rehatch, which is super cool. But we're still not seeing this one. But you can see like yellow, like
Oh,
with
yeah.
the feet like there. And I just checked from the checklist to see which one I got. It's like you can see yellow on it. But take a look, there's no yellow one other than the limited edition. Wait. Oh, I can hear it!
Can you hear this one in the shop?
Uh-huh. I can finally hear it. Huh? I'm sure I heard some tapping.
Trying to hatch out of there then.
Oh, it's so oh!
Oh!
It just hatched! Wait, let me just check on the checklist for that one because it looks golden to me. It's a limited edition! Yay! Hold on. Oh! Super quietly more. I got the limited edition! Yes! I can't believe I got the limited edition! Little iPad surprise chicks are so cool. I love them. I can't believe still that I got the limited edition.
You've done well there to get the limited edition, Tiana. When you
Yeah,
first...
the first time opening.
Yeah, I was just going to say that.
I think I know why it didn't hatch.
Why?
Because the switch probably wasn't turned on.
Oh, it wasn't the chick wasn't turned on.
Yeah. But sometimes that happens. Oh!
Oh! Well, it's working now, for
Yeah.
sure. Okay.
Look, this one's hatched. Thank you so much, character, for sending me these little pet surprise chicks. I'm super excited that I got the golden one, limited edition. Thank you.
So, here's a question.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, how are you? How are you?
Good, thank you. Very nice, smooth, enjoyable flight.
Yes. Excellent. And smooth landing?
Yes, very nice.
Yes, that was Glenn. Glenn,
How
so,
do you control this? So many
Can you go a bit
things.
further in then so I can see you?
I'll tell you what. You want to come in and sit in that seat?
Oh, that's great.
Glenn, do that. See your way. So, first off, we've been ever so rude because I should introduce myself. I'm George. What's your name? Tiana. Tiana, this is Glenn.
Hello.
Hi. And Glenn's your co-pilot. He did all the flying. You know, do you enjoy the flight? Yeah? What do you think of the landing?
It's alright.
Just all right. That was really good. That was Glenn's landing as well. Now you must have lots of questions to ask us.
All the controls, eh?
Oh, how long have I been flying for? That's a good question. So for me, commercially big airplanes, 26 years.
Oh, wow.
Overall, 28 years. And Glenn, how long have you been flying?
Since 1991, so
25
years.
Yeah, 25, 26 years. 26.
Wow.
Long
Do you have any
time.
questions, Dad?
Yeah, I'm just looking at all these controls and just fascinated by all the controls up in here.
Yeah.
There's lots of buttons.
Yeah, look, if I was a pilot, like, it would have been really hard for me to remember what all these buttons do.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a bit like when your dad first learns to drive a car though. So the first time your dad learned to drive a car, you found it quite difficult. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes.
So it's like practice makes perfect.
It is, absolutely.
Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice meeting you.
Yeah,
Nice meeting you too. Go on then, Tiana. You're not flying this airplane today.
No,
maybe another time.
Yes. Tiana, I've got a question for you. Do you know in here we've got bunk beds, we have a bedroom to fly down?
Oh, really?
We have.
In here? In this little space?
Where do you think it is? Can you see a door anywhere?
Wow. A bed in...
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a look in.
Wow. So that's where you have your 40 wings.
Luxury flight, so
See that?
with the extra pilots.
Okay. That's sneaky. So thank you for the flight. It's been very nice.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
And good luck.
Thank you very much.
All the best.
Good luck in New
You
York.
enjoyed it? You enjoyed it in there?
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was
The
really,
pilot
really nice.
views?
Lots of buttons.
It's good.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do tonight?
So we're just like in a like relaxing hotel.
Yeah, I think tonight we're just gonna get something to eat, get some rest. Tomorrow it's all go, go, go.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Enjoy New York.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So we're in New York, guys, and guess what? We don't need the Eskimo look.
It's better.
Because look at that sun. Oh yeah! Are you ready, guys? You ready? Comfortable?
Yes.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
You ready for the New York journey, my friend? Yeah? You brought the sun. Ooh. So these Eskimo coats, guys, when we went to Harrods for in London, we don't need them. Hey, warm, warmish, but it's got a bit of a breeze and it, a bit of a wind. Right, let's get in there. Let's go.
Okay, so now on our way to the hotel, and there's 2 TVs, and there's one with me and Mummy, and there's one with Daddy and Jordan. But I would.
What is it, Tiana?
Oh, I don't know what it's called, but I watched it before. And they are doing the same thing at the same time, which is quite confusing for me. And to be honest, I would rather be watching Daddy and Jordan's because it's a better view. I don't know why.
So how long were we driving for to get to the hotel?
40 minutes,
About
but that's
40 minutes.
yeah, that's perfect because that is
Yeah?
2 TVs. Yeah.
All right.
Some could climb trees.
Wow.
Wow. Feels like you're there, doesn't it?
Hi guys, so we're at the hotel.
Yay!
So finally we've arrived. It's been a long journey, very tired. But tomorrow is a fun day for us. And Saturday, because Friday's tomorrow, Saturday we're at the Toy Fair in New York City. And Sunday, Tiana, we're at the Toy Fair at New York City again for another day. So we hope we see some of you guys down at the Toy Fair. I think tonight we're going to go to, is it Rockefeller? Rockefeller, yeah? Have some fun around there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey! So yeah, we're here and we're gonna have some fun. So see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, so much funny. So TT, come on then, be brave. Big mouthful. Oh!